All right, this morning we're making some breakfast together. What are we making today? Dutch babies. So go ahead and put everything in the bowl. This recipe comes together fast and uses ingredients you probably already have on hand. In a bowl, whisk together flour, milk, vanilla, salt, eggs, and the sugar until the batter is smooth. While that comes together, heat a cast iron skillet in the oven and melt your butter. Once the skillet's hot, pour in the batter and bake until it's golden, puffed, and just starting to crisp around the edges. Serve it warm with powdered sugar and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It's simple, cozy, and perfect for bringing everyone to the table. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, hit that subscribe button. I post a couple new videos every week to help you bring more homemade, family-friendly meals to your table. And as always, thanks for joining us at Gather at Our Table.